Just imagine, what if right now, and I only say this because I see too many companies in the mode of waiting. They're waiting for things to get back to normal.
Absolutely.
Imagine right now, this is not going to change for the next 10 years. What would you do? That's the challenge I would give everybody right now. Imagine this is not going to change for the next 10 years. Now, you may freak out and go, who the hell invited this guy to the party? Right? Yes. It's like, Cleo, next time pick someone better. This guy's out of his mind, right? It may be saying that. Because I know this is valuable and therapeutic, because you need to really look at it. You need to look at it and go, what if this weren't going to change? What would we do to be a viable business, to provide value, and to not only provide value, but maybe we can even offer greater value. Maybe we can even give more than we were able to give before.
Absolutely.
That's the challenge. And so literally we're in the business right now. Every business, I think, is in the business of going, okay, wait a second. What used to be clumped is we used to provide this. Now we can provide, what needs to be separated out so that they're separate, individual, little areas of value, profit centers, areas of value.
This is excellent. It's an excellent viewpoint.